Hi, and welcome back to my channel, and happy Mask Monday. Hi, if you're new here, my name is Jennifer. I do Mask Mondays, I do makeup material, I do unboxings, I do, as per my channel name, I do talk about subjects such as agoraphobia, because I am agoraphobic myself, and talk about mental health issues. And if you're into any of that, then I highly suggest you hit subscribe and you hit that notification bell and set it to all so that you're notified every time that I upload a video. So today we are doing Mask Monday. And I am still hauling stuff. Yes, for the last this is the third Monday in a row I am hauling stuff. Because this is stuff that I bought in December before I started my low buy year. So yeah, I bought a lot of stuff. So that is kind of why I started my low buy year this year. So if you're interested in seeing my haul, then hang tight because we are getting right into it. Okay, welcome back. Thank you for everybody who clicked on this video. I appreciate you very much, whether you are new or returning. Today, the mask I have on is from EBA Nature, and it is their cucumber mask. These are the masks that I talked about in my skincare collab that I buy in bulk. And you can get them for like $44 for like 100 of them. I just bought a new batch of them, and I really like the cucumber one a lot. So let's get into opening some boxes. I've got 2 boxes here from Amazon Prime, and I know I ordered these together, but they had to send them in separate boxes, which is so wasteful. I bought some more of my favorite foundation, drugstore foundation, which is the CoverGirl True Blend Hydrating Mascara. Why am I saying mascara? Foundation in the color Classic Ivory. Yeah, I think that's what it is. I can't find this on Ulta or anything such as that, so I have to, first of all, I have to pop this. Sorry if y'all don't like that noise, but I hate these little AirPod things. And I can't find it on Ulta or anything like that, so I have to buy it on Amazon. And the next box is the same thing. It's the CoverGirl True Blend, but it is their undercover concealer. And I think I got this in Ivory, which is a little lighter than the Classic Ivory. Yeah, it looks a little lighter. Okay. Yeah, they just had to send those separately for some reason. They couldn't send it together. Okay, this is from Ipsy Refreshments, and this came a long time ago, and I'm just now unboxing it. I was part of Ipsy Refreshments for a while, but then they were sending it all the time. So then I told him to stop sending me stuff, and so this was my last box that I got from them, and I got their Velvety Body Cream and Citrus Spritz, which I still have like half a bottle of this left, so I'll probably put that in a giveaway. And their Pearly Body Wash and Citrus Spritz, which I still have some of that too, because I have a lot of body washes from like subscription boxes and stuff in my shower. So, and they put all this, which is so unnecessary. And the Breezy deodorant lavender splash, which I'll be keeping for myself. And that's what they sent. And the refreshments. So I don't get the refreshments anymore because they just want to send you stuff like all the time. And their stuff is good, but I don't know. I don't know what my deal is. I just don't want to be a part of it. Okay. Looks like Ulta sent a huge box over for just one thing. And this whole box, this whole big box, when they could have just sent it in a mailer for this 4th Ray Beauty item that I ordered called Soak It Up. It is a hydrating hyaluronic mask. I love 4th Ray Beauty masks. They're so inexpensive and feels so good. Let's see what it says. Dive into deep hydration with this moisturizing cream mask formulated with hyaluronic acid, marine algae, and aloe. Soak it up. Rejuvenates dry, sluggish, and overworked skin, leaving you with a revived complexion. I was able to read that without my glasses. Well, so I'm glad to have that as part of my skincare routine. And then I got something from Boxy Add-ons. I don't know how long I've had this. Okay. I don't remember ordering this stuff. Okay, apparently I have a Honey Jarrett Super Beauty mask, rose blended with Jarrett tea. I must have ordered this a long time ago. A Honey Jarrett Super Beauty mask with green apple blended with Jarrett tea. I'm going to have to open one of these. Oops, there goes my concealer. And lemon honey blended with Jarrett tea. How many masks are in here? They must have been cheap, or else I wouldn't have bought them. Oh. There's like 5 masks in each one. Okay, and I bought something from Hey Honey. It's their Undercover Detox Mud Mask. I like to buy skincare from the Boxy Add-ons. Oh, that's thick. Whoa, that does smell like honey. Have you ever had a mud mask smell like honey? Wow. Okay. I do, even though I have dry skin, I do use a mud mask about once a week or so. just to like clear out my pores and stuff. And then I have a Hey Honey Sweet Treat Wild Berry and Honey Yogurt Recovery Mask. Restore the appearance of dull skin impacted by environmental factors. I honestly don't remember ordering this stuff. Oh, it smells good. That's what it looks like. A naturally formulated recovery treatment mask with antioxidant ingredients, wild berry oil, and honey to restore skin elasticity and to help soften the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles while enhancing barrier properties, vitamin E, and protecting against environmental damage. Okay? Alright. Well, these look like things I would pick out. But I must have blacked out and bought them. Okay. Well, those are the boxes I have. I gotta be honest, these are not all the boxes. I still have more boxes to unbox, but, I will save those for another time. Okay, I'm going to take off my mask. Oh, and I had eye masks on too. Eye patches, whatever you want to call them. And okay. Let me know down below if you've tried out any of these products and what you thought of them. And yeah, if you do Mask Monday, if you don't do Mask Monday, you can always do Mask Monday. Just upload it on Monday. Wear any kind of mask. It doesn't have to be a sheet mask. It can be like one of these or one of these kind of masks. And just use the hashtag maskmondayladies in either your title or down where you put your tags at. And yeah, join us on Mondays. It doesn't have to be every Monday. But we'd love to have you. And okay, well, like I said, leave a comment, even if it's just to tell me how your day is going, or just to say Happy Mask Monday. I love hearing from you. So give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it, and I wish you a happy and wonderful day today. And if you are not having that kind of day today, I hope something comes along and sparks your day so that you can have a wonderful day today and a wonderful week today, this week, or weekend, whenever you are watching this. And if you're having an especially hard time, remember that I am thinking about you and sending you out those good vibes. And remember to stay strong and stay healthy and stay safe out there. And okay, I will see you tomorrow for another video, and just take care until then. Okay, goodbye.